Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to play DayZ Standalone with really much better FPS. I mean, what the heck? I mean, like, you can play on a dual core 2.8 gigahertz, which is what I have, an AMD Athlon. I have a 5450, and usually I would have to play 1024 at 768 resolution at 75% render resolution, which looked terrible, but now I can play 720p still with about 25 FPS, which is good, especially if your computer isn't the best, but you can still play some games. If you have a good computer but you're still lagging, this will help too. But the first thing you want to do is go Documents, go to DayZ, and open up DayZ with Notepad. And you want to make sure the GPU max frames ahead and GPU detector frames ahead are 1. Then you want to file, save that, and then go to your name, mine is SpanCook because that's my computer name. Click on that with Notepad, open it with Notepad, then scroll all the way down until you see Scene Complexity, Shadow, Z Distance, and Preferred Object View Distance. This one, the default will be 200,000, this one I think is 100, correct me on that, I don't remember the default. This is 3,000, and Preferred Object View Distance is 3,000 as well. If you have a crappy computer, make it 1,000. Make the same settings as me. It's good. If you have a normal computer, just turn this down to maybe 150,000. Keep this at 100 or make it 100. Turn this to 1,500 and turn this to 1,500. These two. I don't think you can see my mouse. Sorry. Turn those both to 1,500, and that'll get you better FPS as well. Make sure you file and then save that as well. Next one, you don't really have to do, but if you have a crappy computer, it'll let you play with a lot better frames. So some people might consider this cheating, but it really isn't, especially if you don't delete the trees or bushes. But you want to go to C, you want to go all the way to your Steam apps and stuff. C, Program Files, 86, Steam, Steam Apps, Common, DayZ, Add-ons. So you might want to make a, what is this folder doing? Whatever. Might want to make a folder, or you can just put it on your desktop on the side, but scroll down until you see plants. And some people might considering deleting bushes and trees, since people hide behind those and stuff. So you might not want to do that, but it'll still reduce FPS if you do, especially trees. But I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to put away clutter.pbo. Make sure you don't delete by signs. You don't want to do that. Put away clutter.pbo, misc.pbo, plant PBO, and that will reduce your FPS a lot. But once you start up DayZ, you won't be able to join a server. What you have to do is start up DayZ, try to join a server. It'll say corrupted data, or it'll say like something's missing, like one of these files you moved is missing, and then it'll take you back to main menu. Once you're in main menu, tab out, don't close the game, put these things back in that file, and you'll be able to join a server, but these 3 things will still be gone and you'll get more FPS. That's very helpful. Some people might consider it cheating, but it's not if you don't put away bushes and trees. If you take this away, you can literally delete trees and see people, and also buildings, which don't do that. That's cheating and it's messed up. But yeah, next I'm going to go to the game and show you in-game settings for what you should do, and I'll see you very soon. Hey guys, welcome back. This is quick. Most of you already know how to do this, but some of you people that just got a new computer, or maybe are just got into new gaming, don't know how to change your settings the right way. But what you want to do is go to Configure, Video, and then change, first of all, go to User Interface. If you have a crappy computer, set it to this first, 1024 by 768. You're going to have to restart DayZ, so it'll all be in your screen right. It'll look crappy, but you might get good FPS or bad FPS depending on how good or bad your computer is. If you have a good computer, you have a 1080p monitor, play this first, and if you still get really good FPS, play this. If you still get really good FPS, and play this or that. Yeah, I play this right now because with the stuff I showed you earlier, I can do that now. Usually I had to play on this render resolution. So yeah, then you want to go crap your computers. You want to turn all this on very low, disabled everything, just everything, turn blur all the way down, and just everything all the way down. Video memory, just put it on auto or 2048. I put on 2048 just to make sure it uses everything it can. If you have a decent computer, you want to turn off shadows completely. Keep clouds on if you want. Doesn't really matter too much. Depends on how good your graphics card is, I think. DayZ doesn't use your graphics card too much. Put these on low or normal depending. Just mess around with these settings while you're in a game and see if you get good FPS. In the top left of my screen I get 90 because I'm just literally staring at the sky. And I'm recording. I should be getting like 300. But I have a crappy computer, so yeah. But go to rendering. Make sure you turn off post-process quality, ambient occlusion, and anti-aliasing, and HDR quality as well. You might want to turn that in very low. And you should be able to play really well if you have a decent computer. Again, if you have a crappy computer, turn on these all the way down, and you should be good. That's all you have to do. That's about it. That's how you speed up DayZ. It'll. Sorry, excuse me. Make sure VSync is off as well. Oh crap. And that's it. I hope this helped you, man. This really helped me a lot. Guys, just if you like this video, like it on YouTube. Subscribe to me. I'll make more of these for different games and stuff. I'll make it one for Arma 2 if you guys want me to. If I get 10 likes, I'll do an Arma 2 one, because some people still play the mod. DayZ Standalone might not have enough. But enjoy this. I'll see you next time on my next video. Bye.